Bobby Two Pots Breaks. It is Friday the 13th. We are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. We randomed up our 13 remaining boxes on Friday the 13th, and we got box number 1. We did random teams for it on the left. Team's customers been randomized alphabetized. Gave y'all a chance to trade. No one really in a trading mood. We know all 13 boxes with the exception of our cash box from the checklist there, folks. So here we go. I'm going to start off with one of our Eclipses, it looks like. I'm going to start off with one of our lower hits there, guys. Still a nice hit. Gonna be the green base spot. That is the regular green base spot. Whoops, I actually thought it was A.J. Dillon. I must have made a mistake. It's Jordan Love, but guys. Bam! That is gonna be the Jordan Love Eclipse Authentic Beckett certification and card on that, as you can see. That is the regular green base slots. Well, bam! Noah's going to take the Love Eclipse there. Not a monster hit for you, Noah. Still a solid hit, and a hit is a hit nonetheless. Noah usually don't hit till late in the night. It seems like a lot of Noah's hits come on the last box or something. Like when we squeak out one last break or something, that seems to have been when Noah was hitting. But starting off with the first box for us tonight, that is going to be the Landers. Bring up our qualifier. We're going to switch out our cameras. We're going to pull one of Noah's out. Got a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I got Brianna and Eric are going to be our qualifiers on that. That is qualifier number 61 and 62. We got 12 boxes left in the series before we award them. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, folks, 8 Central, Bobby Two Pops Breaks.